going on, everybody? Kyle here with Bigger Chrome Shop, and today we're doing another edition of our showroom showcase. So for today's showroom showcase, we're going to be looking at our recently renovated lighting section. Starting off, first two sections here, we have our bezels, grommets, light brackets. As you can see here, any size you need, any style you want, visor, no visor, we've got it here. Next section, bulbs, replacement headlight bulbs, and any wiring you need. If you're just looking to replace one on your truck or, do a whole lot, we've got single cut wires or whole rolls available. Moving on here, we have our air cleaner lights. We've got the 8-inch, 5-inch. We've got LED trailer tail lights, stop turning tails, light bars here. Next section, we've got our 3/4 inch button lights, pretty wide assortment of those. After that, we have our P3 and Millennium style lights. We've got our dual revolutions and flat lines up top, pretty common and popular styles at the moment. Below that here, we've got our rectangulars, pretty popular around trailers. The next section here, we have our P1 lights, pretty similar to the others. Again, we've got our dual revolutions available on our flat lines up top here. The next section, we've got our P1 rectangular-esque lights. Similar options to the rest of them, all available, a bunch of different brands here. After that, we have our Beehive Lights. We've got 2-inch of those, 2.5 inch. The next section and a half here is our standard round clearance lights. We've got everything from, amber, clear, red. As you can see here, we've got a ton of dual revolutions in stock. So pretty wide assortment on those as well. Moving on, we have our oval lights. Once again, dual revolution, bunch of those in stock. A lot of people love them. We've got our sequentials and then just the standards as well. Next here, we have our 4-inch lights. So pretty much the same options on these as well. All the standard lighting options you need, as well as our dual revolutions if you're looking to, give a little flare. So then our last two sections here, we have our Fender and Pedestal lights. Wide assortment on those as well. So you can see here, we got a couple different styles. We got the circular, we got the square, as well as we have the watermelon lens on the bottom here. You can get those, in clear lens or amber red, whatever fits your needs. So yeah, if you want to check out any of these products, go ahead and go to our website at biggerchromeshop.com. And once again, don't forget to follow our Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. Thank you.